Alright, boys and boys to men, we are back here with the ultimate Road and Track 350Z, and today in our quest to make this thing even more reliable, robust, and track prepped, we're going to go ahead and install this Z1 Diff brace. It is a cast stainless steel piece actually, which is really interesting, so it should be really strong, very high quality Z1 stuff as always. They had this on their website during a Black Friday sale, so I couldn't resist this deal and went ahead and picked one up myself. Hey guys, David here with another episode. Today we're going to throw on this Z1 Diff brace, and it's going to be really easy. It's probably going to take under 10 minutes, so let's go ahead and get under it. Super simple. We are going to remove this bottom bolt here and then the one right above it to the right. Okay, with those bolts removed, what you'll do is you will line up these bolt holes like this. So this is actually going to go in front of the diff itself and line these two holes up. And then this hole here actually goes up to the subframe hole there, and then the bolt will go through that into this part. And of course it wouldn't be Z1 if they didn't send you all kinds of nice hardware with it. I'm not being ironic or funny at all. This is seriously nice. I think this is like milled out of stainless steel too. It feels CNC. Use the longer bolt there, and now we're going to use this shorter bolt on this one that's on the right side of the diff housing. We're just going to loosely thread those in for the moment. What you're witnessing here is me frivolously attempting to insert this top bolt through the subframe and into the locating hole on the diff brace. So I'm absolutely blinding the piss out of myself with this light on the GoPro, but there's no other way to film my face right now. I'm going to talk from over here. How's that? So never ever say that a job is going to be easy, because that is a 1000% curse against your testament, goodwill, and good nature in your ability to successfully complete a project easily. So end up having a massive problem trying to get that bolt aligned. As I mentioned earlier, I have that Z1 poly diff bushing as well too, that center one here, and this thing was not moving at all. And actually I had the opposite problem. Normally they say jack the diff up to align the bolt hole. Mine needed to come down actually, which is kind of funny. So what I ended up doing is I tried to file, and that really wasn't working too well. So I took the biggest drill bit that I had, went in there and angled it up and just channeled out the top of it using kind of the top of the drill bit, and just skimmed enough off, not very much, in order to make some more space for that bolt. So now that that's done, we can go ahead and tighten down these bolts here, and then once we tighten those down, we'll go ahead and torque those to spec as well too. Alright, and with that we are done here, so we can go ahead and move everything out and lower this down. Alrighty, well there we go. This should keep our diff in place from breaking our axles or messing up our exhaust, so that's a good quality of life mod to have there. Thank you all so much for watching. We really appreciate this. This is my first video of 2023. Taylor's already put out a couple, but we have a lot of big projects in store, a lot of stuff you guys haven't seen, big plans, so stay tuned and we'll see you in the next episode.